Hi guys, this is Nana again, Akwaba. Welcome to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nana. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hope you love this channel. As promised, I am bringing you my free ebook, How to Move to Africa, in collaboration with my very good friend, Bridget Boache of boacheb.com. Between the both of us, we have about 7 years of experience of how to, repatriate back to Ghana and, or how to just move from somewhere else to come to live in any part of Africa. So what we're doing now is offering you the chance for you to go download this book. It's about 25 pages long. I know after this pandemic is over, there are going to be a lot of you who are going to finally make the move to come to Ghana and to other parts of Africa. We want to make sure you skip all that trial and error phase that we had to go through, save you a lot of time, a lot of money. So go download this book now. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so that you can go download it and use that towards your research and your prep. Next month, August 2020, we're going to be offering 4 webinars. One is going to be on living in Ghana, logistics. Other one is going to be how to prepare to move to Ghana. One is going to be businesses in Ghana, because I know you guys really want to know and really want to get down into the details of how to start a business in Ghana, how to grow the business, the process and everything. So we'll have another class on that, and then we'll have a general do and don'ts and how to navigate, build relationships, because living abroad anywhere is not an easy thing. Even if you've been here your whole life and you left 5 years ago, coming back, building relationships is not the easiest thing to do. You need to know how to navigate. We're going to give you 7 providers recommendations as well, people that we have tried, tested, and believe they can offer you the best services. So register for those classes. You can click to register for one class. You can buy all the 4 classes if you want to. But for now, go and download the ebook. It is absolutely free. I want you guys to download that, have it, read it. If you have any questions, anything at all, send them to nanaashanti.info@gmail.com. I hope you guys enjoy this, ebook. It's like a labor of love and something that we want to give to people in the diaspora as you're home, as you're prepping, as you're taking your time to prepare to move to Ghana. We hope you have a great time doing that. So download that book, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.